Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the WWII Kicks channel. And the shoe here I'm about to do a review on, well, some of you already know my previous history that I had with hitting on a shoe and then taking an L on the shoe. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check out the link right here. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. And let me tell you something right now. Shout out to having good friends that let you do reviews on shoes, because your boy was not looking to go ahead and get these resales, especially after what happened to me. Anyhow, label reads Air Jordan 5 Retro, Varsity Maize, Black, Wolf Gray, and Anthracite. This is a size 13, as you can see there. So unfortunately, there will be no on feet, but let's go ahead and pop the box open. You see here, we got basically a traditional Jordan 5 box, and I believe he got these off of GOAT, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe that's the little GOAT QR code or whatever. Anyhow, as we go ahead and pop it open, you know, we're met with black tissue paper. Now, interesting thing about this, when I go ahead and show you the shoe, and there you go, you got the Jordan 5 Tokyos re-releasing here for 2025, but where is the double wrapping on these? I mean, listen, let me take a look at the material on here. Are you serious? You mean to tell me you're giving us this buttery looking suede and you're not double wrapping these with the extra tissue paper like you've been doing for basically all the other shoes out there? I mean, come on now. Jordan brand, especially with a shoe like this. Whatever. Anyhow, here we have, boom, the Jordan 5 Tokyos here for 2025. And listen, that original pair that released in 2011, exclusive to Tokyo itself, well, they made a few changes on here, just, you know, two in particular that really make this distinctly different from the original, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to Jordan brand for being able to maintain the prestige of what originally came, and they did the same thing when it came to the undefeated 4s. But let's just go over the shoe here real quick. I mean, you see you got that beautiful suede yellow all the way around on the shoe, pre-laced here with black laces, clear lace lock holder with a gray lace lock, you know what I'm saying? You got that reflective tongue here on the top with the black Jumpman. You have gray in some of the lace holes here on each side, obviously. You got some of that translucent material here for the caging on the lateral and medial side. You see the lace bag here with the extra set of white laces, and I will give you a look as to what they look like with the white laces on there. Coming down here to the midsole, as you can see, we have some black, we have some white on there, and then obviously we have the yellow shark teeth with some of that black splatter in there, guys. Coming around here to the back, there we have the Jumpman. You know what I'm saying? And let me go ahead and pull out the left shoe. Very, very nice quality, I must say, here when it comes to the Tokyo 5s. Now, obviously, on the outside heel of the left and right shoe, you do have your T23 there. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is actually a really dope feature. Now, this is a little distinctly different from the 2011 pair because they actually made this a little skinnier than that original pair. And I'm gonna give you a picture right here of that, you know what I'm saying? But also something else that they did a little different is here on the toe area, instead of it being black, they gave us that yellow. Now taking a look here at the outsole, translucent outsole with that gold Jumpman or yellow Jumpman that you can see through the bottom there, and nothing necessarily in the heel, but in the midfoot you do have Jordan written. And then inside the air unit, you got a little yellow in that air unit as well. Now, I'm gonna put a picture here so you can distinctly see, you know, the difference of the 2011 and the 2025 kind of side by side there against each other. But also there's something a little more special about this shoe because these actually resemble the OVO Drake Tokyo 5 sample seen here in this little clip that I have. Shout out to Z Sneakerhead. If he ever comes across this video, I'm definitely giving my man his props because this is coming off his IG page. But yeah, as you can see, look what they did there. Now, something else we got to go over is inside the insole of the shoe, right? You can see that OVO in one, you got the prayer hands in the other. So let's take a look here and see what we got inside this shoe. Now we do have an all black sock liner, but we do have some graphic here on the insole foot pads. So let me go ahead and pull that out. This is the left one, and let me go ahead and pull out the right one as well. And let's see, let's hold these together and look what we got here. The beautiful 23. Man, I love it when, you know, they do things like this, these little Easter eggs, you know what I'm saying, with the insole foot pads and all that. It definitely makes it feel extra special. But what is on the footbed of the shoe? Well, nothing but an actual stamp down there, you know what I'm saying? So this is the left shoe here with the stamp, and does it say anything actually? It just a set of number codes, you know what I'm saying? If you remember, there was a big controversy when it came to the Jordan 11 Cool Grays, and it came to some of the shoes having the stamping down there on the insole footbed and some of them not, and whether or not they was real or fake or whatever. No controversy here when it comes to these guys, you know what I'm saying? Plus my boy, you know, he ran them through the other app, you know what I'm saying, to make sure and verify that these are a legit pair, and these came back legit, so we all good there. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the lace swap on these, and then we'll go ahead and close out. So, all right, so here we go. We got white laces in here versus the black laces, you know what I'm saying? Like, what do you guys prefer? Now, speaking of that Drake pair, they came with an extra set of black laces and gray laces, so gray is definitely an option in here. Plus, there's probably a multitude of other lace combinations you could definitely throw here in the shoe. That being said, man, appreciate you guys stopping through. Like, share, subscribe, do all those great things. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that sub button and make sure those notification bells are turned on so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in a moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.